In this video, I'm going to share with you the common mistakes that I did on YouTube as a small creator, and they delayed my monetization. And those are the same mistakes that most of the small creators do, and they fail to get the 4K watch hours. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dora. Don't forget to like the video as we get started, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, if you are a new creator, make sure that you keep this video to the end because it is helpful. I'm sharing these mistakes so that you can avoid them as a small creator and make your journey to the 4,000 watch hours easily. Now, the first mistake I did on YouTube was deleting videos after posting them. This mistake is very common in new creators. When I was starting YouTube, I was expecting things to work the way I wanted them to be. I was expecting to post a video and then it gets good views in the first days. Now, YouTube is very different from other platforms like TikTok. On TikTok, once you post a video, it is going to gain a lot of engagement in the first hour, even after posting. But on YouTube, as a small creator, don't expect to post a video and it gets a lot of views immediately after posting compared to TikTok. Now, in my first days of YouTube, I used to delete videos that were not performing well. I would post a video and then it makes 0 views in the first hour, 1 view in the first day, 5 views in the first week. And the biggest mistake I did was deleting them. Now, let me take you to my YouTube studio. We check on one of the videos I posted, and then it didn't get views in the first year. And in the second year, that video got views, and up to now, it's still getting good views. Yet, it didn't perform in the first year. Let's take a look at the video. Now, this is one of my videos that has performed well after some good months of posting. You can see I posted this video, and it wasn't performing well. It didn't perform well in the first days, the first weeks, and the first months. Actually, in the first year, it did not perform well in the first year. And in the second year, this video performed well. You can take a look. This is one of the videos I posted when I was starting YouTube. It has made 711 days. These are the videos I performed when I was starting YouTube. And this video did not perform well actually in the first days, the first weeks, the first months, and in the first whole year. This video did not perform well. And even at the beginning of the second year, it did not perform well. Now, you can take a look how this video blew up out of the blue and gained some good views. You can take a look. This video is performing well. Right now, it is performing very well. It is getting views. And surprisingly, this video is getting most of the views from YouTube search. You can take a look. This video is getting most of the views from YouTube search. So don't delete a video if it's not performing well in the first days, first weeks, and the first months. Actually, even the first year. Don't delete a video that is not performing well. You avoid that mistake as a small creator. Now, the second mistake was becoming lazy after getting some attention. Now, on my YouTube journey, I was putting in a lot of effort before I was getting some good views on YouTube. But the moment I started getting some attention and my videos started performing well, I became lazy, thinking that I've made it. That mistake made it hard for me to get the 4K watch hours on YouTube. Now, that mistake made it so hard for me to generate the 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Yet YouTube works with constancy. The more constant you are, the more views, and the more views, the more subs, and the more watch hours. You can't get the watch hours without views. And you can't get the views without being constant. So most of the new creators, most of the small creators do that mistake. The moment they get some attention, that is where they lose the energy. I don't know why. So if you're a new creator, make sure that you don't lose the energy after getting some attention on YouTube. If you are a new creator and you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. In the next part, I'm going to come up with more mistakes that made my monetization journey hard on YouTube. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.